Hello bachcho, the question is which of the following is the most important for animals and plants being driven to extinction? So when we say extinction, it means the loss of organisms in full term, means no member, if no member of a species is present on the planet earth, that means the species has been extinct. So now the biodiversity is decreasing, so the major reasons for biodiversity loss are the uh, alien species invasion, habitat loss and fragmentation, co-extinction and alien species invasion. So various factors are responsible for the extinction of organisms or loss of biodiversity. But out of these, the main reason which is responsible for the extinction of organisms on this earth is the habitat loss and fragmentation. So let's see what is meant by habitat loss and fragmentation. So habitat loss, habitat means the place of living. So if the place of living or home of an organism is destroyed, so it means we are snatching the home of animal. So it means there will be no place for animal to live in, so the animal will become homeless and it will die. So the habitat loss. And then fragmentation, fragmentation means if there is, suppose there is a forest. Now this forest is a home for many wild animals, but here due to construction or due to any other reason, suppose there is a river or there is a road, so now this forest is divided into two parts. So this is fragmentation. Now the animals such as mammals which have a migratory habit, it means they migrate from one place to other, and for that they need a proper path. Now the habitat is fragmented, now they lose their path and in this way they become die. So this is also the major cause of their extinction. So habitat loss, we can also cite an example, for example the tropical rainforest. So tropical rainforest such as Amazon rainforest, earlier the Amazon rainforest were occupying a high area, means a vast area, but now they are being cut and for human grade, for the soybean cultivation and for making grasslands. So these are being cut and it means Amazon rainforests are being destroyed. It means the home of animals which are living in the forest, it is destroyed, so they will die. So the major cause of habitat loss, biodiversity loss is the habitat loss and fragmentation. So the right answer of this question is option B. While other three factors are also responsible, but the major cause is the habitat loss and fragmentation. Now if we look at other three options as well, then one is alien species invasion. So alien means exotic species, it means the species which are not native of that area, they have come that area from some other places, so such species are called alien species. Now many alien species has caused havoc for the native species, because alien species do not have their predators in the area where they are migrated or they are being introduced. So now they do not have their predators in that area. So in absence of predator, their population grows very large and it causes harm to the native population. So it is also a cause of biodiversity loss. Now drought and floods. So drought means deficiency of water for a very long time. So and the floods means over flooding. So it is also the reason of loss of biodiversity. Then economic exploitation means exploitation of organisms for the greed of men, for example for their flesh or for their skin, for making some valuable goods. So this is also the cause of extinction of biodiversity, but the major cause is the habitat loss and fragmentation. I hope this explanation is clear. All the best.